In this video, we are working on a 2017 Honda Odyssey. This is our cabin air filter that we ordered from RockAuto. I stick with the Wix brand. The part number is 24815XP. There's several brands out there. I went with this one that had a little bit better filtration properties and the way it worked. It's Wix. I trust it, and let's change it. Your cabin air filter is located on the passenger side of your vehicle. We've already removed everything out the glove box. It literally sits behind your glove box of your vehicle. It's fairly simple. You got a tab right here that you just have to get around the plastic, and it drops down. There's like this little shock absorber here that helps assist you. You just got to get that unhooked. It folds down, and then literally it kind of just falls out. Just these little clips. Fairly simple. And then we got these two tabs here, and it just slides out. I did play with this already, so this tab wasn't locked in, but I have not removed it yet. So let's see. This thing says Honda, so it makes me wonder if it's ever been changed. You already see leaves falling out. Oh, that ain't horrible. But let's get a vacuum out in there, see if we can catch any leaves and debris, and let's compare it to our new one and see what we got. So the new one comes like this. So it looks like this one's going to be in a tray, and it is. Which it does have a lot of stuff in between. So it just comes out like that. Let's get everything cleaned up. We'll drop this one in and reinstall it. Alright, we got everything vacuumed. Just make sure this doesn't look too bad. Get a filter. We do have an airflow indication, so we want to make sure we got that pointed in the right direction. So the air comes from behind the hood and goes down, so that means it has to be like this, where air is going to come down, because a lot of times you're sucking it from the cowl of the hood. So we got that in there like that, and let's reinstall it. So this is what I mean. So when you do fresh air on your car, it closes a vent here and it pulls it from this side of the cabin. When you're off fresh air, it moves the vent and it pulls it from under the hood. So that's how your air enters the car, and that's why everything comes through this filter. Airflow down. It actually has indicators here of which way the air is. So, and then we're just going to make sure our filter is completely down, which something's off. Let me fix that. So it wasn't sitting all the way in, and I noticed that these tabs over here, where these, how it angles up, it needs to make sure you lock it in to this edge, and that helps secure, make sure everything goes through the filter, but also allows this to sit flush. So it should go in now. All right, we got all that in place. Let's slide it in. So it is weird over here. Kind of got to work around the glove box, and boom, it just clips in. Make sure both of your tabs are in on the sides, and now we reinstall our glove box. All right, to reinstall, we're going to put it back in these clips here. It snaps in like that. We're going to have to relatch our shock, which I'll show you. This relatches here. And then when we go back up, you're going to push the sides in. And you can see it's made for it. Got slits on it. You just like that, and now your shock is doing shock things. And put your stuff back in there. And let's see if it's any better. All right, back to the driver's side. We're going to start it. Shut the door. Let's turn the air up. Everything's working. I mean, it's kind of simple. I don't know what else to really expect, but it doesn't smell any really different to me. Well, hopefully this video helped somebody, and we're going to continue some maintenance. That'll be another video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment, especially if anything that's helped anybody. I appreciate it, and on to the next one.